Before I go ahead and remove the door, I've gone ahead and disconnected the battery. So we're going to go ahead and take off the door harness. Got my little trim tool. Try to be a little bit more gentle than I was there. As you guys can see now, there's a little clip here, which is an orange clip. So just have to go ahead and undo that as well. Once you've undone that, basically unplug this from the car. If you look, you've got these little black covers on the hinges, top and bottom. These are basically plastic covers. They just need to be pulled off like that. Or you can do it by hand, which is a lot better. And in here, you've got these little bolts, which are 6mm. All right, so we've got the 6mm on here. Just gonna gently loosen it for me to remove it with my fingers. So last but not least, you've got this. So basically what I have here is a CR VM8. Instead of this being like one of the little Torx screws with 6, this has 12. Volkswagen used the one with 12 on there. Get that in. Just gonna loosen that up. This is the first door I'm taking off a car. There goes. Doing it on my own as well. In the middle of nowhere.